Have you been looking for a brand new home that's more affordable in the low to mid 300s? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly that here in Fort Pierce. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Raphael Gonzalez. I'm a realtor that specializes in new construction. And I work with all of the builders here in South Florida and help people just like you find the right home and find the right community while personally working with and representing you throughout the entire process. If you'd like my help and to leverage my knowledge, experience, and resources when buying or selling your next home, I'll have my information up on the screen now and you can reach out to me directly. So this model in particular is the lowest priced 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home in all of St. Lucie County. Coming in with a 2-car garage and over 1,800 square feet under air, this corner villa feels more like a single-family home once you step inside. You'll find a proper foyer and entryway that separates the bedroom or office up front from the family room and kitchen at the center of the home. This has an open concept and the kitchen island is huge and overlooks the family room, dining space, and covered lanai. Behind the kitchen are the 2 guest bedrooms, their bathroom, and the laundry room. And the master suite is in the back of the home with a separate tub and shower along with a walk-in closet. Their homes are perfect for first-time home buyers, with these being lower maintenance, brand new, and at a lower, more affordable price than any other new construction on the Treasure Coast. And I've been able to work closely with my partner over here to secure extra incentives for my clients so you would need less money out of pocket and occasionally even lower your monthly payment to close. So if you're interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this and other similar homes and communities, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I'm an independent realtor and can help work with you throughout the process with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call home. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you'll be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. The builders are happy to work with me and all of my clients and subscribers that I bring by, and they compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance. So if you are interested in this home or something else like this here in Fort Pierce or Port St. Lucie, you can reach out to me directly and I'll be able to help you along the entire process, whether you're looking for something for sale or to build, and represent you when buying or selling a home here in South Florida.